Today I'm showing you how you can get your data from a Weavely form into the Zoho CRM. So we have an example form here that we generated with AI. I'm going to skip that part. If you're unfamiliar with Weavely, I'll leave a link to an explainer video at the top to give you an idea of how it works. But essentially it's a sarcastic contact form and we want that data into our CRM. So once you have your form created, head on over to the integrations tab, and when you scroll down, you'll see Zoho CRM here. So it's a two-step process. First step is connecting your Weavely account to Zoho CRM. So it's a single sign-on process, actually pretty straightforward. You leave the email address that you use for Zoho. I'm already signed in, so it's going to give me the notification of the permissions. I press accept, and that's essentially it. So now Weavely and Zoho are linked, and I can actually create the integration for my form. So you'll notice here that you at least need a last name to be able to create a contact in Zoho. So that's the minimum field that you need to add. But you can basically map elements of your form, so form fields, into your Zoho CRM to create a contact. So we'll use name for our last name. We'll also add email and map it onto the email column. So that's pretty straightforward, right? So you can map your form to your CRM columns, create that integration, go ahead and publish our form, and then we're going to fill it out so that you can see the data coming into Zoho. So we're going to type in my name, my email address, there we go. And we're going to submit our form. And then when we look at Zoho and we reload it, you can see my contact being created here as the data I just filled in. So that's how you, from a pre-built form in Weavely, add Zoho contact details as an integration. We'll have a whole bunch of different integrations as well. There's other videos for that. Feel free to sort of browse around the channel if you're interested in some of these other integrations as well. And never hesitate to send us an email if you have feedback or if you want some features to be added. That's it.